Well, good morning everybody from day 155. We are 56.1 miles from Canada. That is amazing. That is going to be about 2 days, 2.5 days. And that means we're done in like 3 days. So that's crazy to say. I'm looking forward to it. The ground is feeling pretty hard these days. Got anything to say, baby?
It's been quite the adventure, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has indeed.
Just gotta try not to get injured on the last couple days.
Yeah, slow and steady, just like we've been doing.
Yeah, just keep enjoying the sunrises and sunsets.
Yeah, this view is amazing. We had a perfect campsite last night. Well, we've just hit 2,600.6. So we just hit the 2,600 mark. Whoop, whoop. Look at that.
Yeah, only time they had a flat spot to do it, I guess.
2,600. A few, just probably 0.6 short.
Would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500.
Yeah, well, we walked 2,600 more.
That ain't nothing.
Nothing.
That song ain't nothing. I used to think that dude walked a long distance.
But nope.
Bro, he quit.
Yep.
He quit early.
Yep. You look very nice.
You look very nice too.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Very nice. Lunch of champions.
Will you eat cheese, tortilla, meat steak, tortillas after this?
No.
No.
And never again. After this trail, I will forever eat normal sandwiches like a decent human being.
It is 11:20 and we've gone 10 miles and we're going to do about another 15.5, which will get us to Harts Pass. Crazy.
How's the beginning of it start? What?
I feel it in the water. There it is, folks. 13 miles to the place we have talked about since the beginning of the PCT trek. Almost 2,600 miles ago.
Hey, you.
Kicking my butt.
Mine too. Oh my God, it'd be horrible.
Haha. Look at that.
Border, 35 miles. Hot dog.
Well, today was somewhat challenging. Feeling pretty beat down, but in a good way.
Today was hard.
Today was hard. Had a big climb.
Lots of hot sun.
Lots of hot sun. And sometimes I just repeat what you say. and just never feels like we can get enough food. Always hungry, but not in a bad way. And we are officially 35 miles from the Canadian border, which means we are a day and a half from the Canadian border and a total of 3 days from finishing, saying goodbye to the PCT. We are a couple miles from Harts Pass, where we're really hoping maybe, just maybe, there may be a water cache there so we can just camp there, because they do have picnic tables, pit toilets and stuff. But we'll see. If not, we have to hike a little bit further and get some water. But yeah, I'm looking forward to not having to hike anymore.
What you fixing there?
Rehydrating instant rice.
What are you making it in your shoe?
Yeah, well, we ate mashed potatoes first. We had mashed potatoes first, and so I was soaking the rice.
In your shoe?
And it's in the mashed potato container. This is just the holder.
See that, ladies and gentlemen? This is what we've come to.
Who's happy right now?
Me. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.